These days, you can find a lot of videos on YouTube talking about Chat GPT. Additionally, you will find more videos discussing how to make money quickly and easily from Chat GPT. Some individuals even specify certain numbers, such as making $100 a day, $8,000 a week, or $20,000 a month. However, these claims can be misleading. Having watched videos from many channels, I want to clarify the truth and the extent to which ChatGPT can help you earn money. All the videos you will find on the internet depend on 3 methods. If you're interested in staying up to date on the latest news surrounding this exciting topic, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. The first method is to register on a freelancer platform, such as Upwork or Fiverr, and search for jobs related to content writing. After that, you can present yourself to potential customers as a content writer, assess their needs, whether it's an advertisement, article, or anything else, and then input these requirements into ChatGPT. And it will generate the content for you, and you can deliver it to the customer, pretending that you wrote it and receive payment. However, this method has an unethical aspect, and it also presents a problem. Firstly, ChatGPT is now available for free to everyone. This means that if someone wants to generate content, they can easily use ChatGPT without your involvement. People who use platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are looking for content with a high degree of creativity. The second method involves registering yourself as a blogger on a blogging site, searching for trending topics on Google, and then inputting the topic into ChatGPT to generate an article. You can then copy the content ChatGPT produces and publish it on your blog, including ads. However, this method has 3 problems. Firstly, ChatGPT is not connected to an online search engine like Google. Therefore, it is not updated and may not be aware of current events. The last boundary of ChatGPT's knowledge is the year 2021, which is the year that OpenAI used to train and feed it with information to serve as its knowledge base. If you ask ChatGPT to write about a current event, it is likely that its information may be outdated, incorrect, or very superficial, as ChatGPT's creators themselves have acknowledged. Secondly, we are fascinated by ChatGPT because it is a computer or a robot that can generate text or content similar to what humans write. However, there is a difference between what ChatGPT writes and what a real content creator writes. Creativity and humor are crucial for content creators to connect with their viewers effectively. However, ChatGPT lacks the ability to express these emotions, which can lead to unoriginal and ineffective content. Many successful advertising campaigns and artworks have been built on people's emotions and needs, including comedy, which can help establish good relationships and break barriers between creators and their audience. Unfortunately, ChatGPT does not possess these capabilities, which may limit the quality of its generated content. Moreover, most popular blogging websites have software that can detect plagiarism, or if the one who wrote that content is an artificial intelligence or a human being, making it essential for content creators to produce original content. If it is discovered that you used artificial intelligence to create content, the ad account may be cancelled, resulting in no payment and potential account closure. Another way that people discuss on YouTube for making money with ChatGPT is to have it write ad formats for your products or business on social media. This can help you introduce your business to potential customers, but it requires having products or services that provide value to customers. If you feel discouraged that the doors to profiting from artificial intelligence have been closed to you, you may be wondering if there are other ways to use ChatGPT to make money online. Yes, but not in an easy, effortless way, as many YouTube videos suggest. For example, some videos claim that you can earn $8,000 per month with the help of GPT Chat. However, the majority of these videos are focused on increasing views rather than teaching you the correct and genuine ways, which require effort. While GPT Chat is a significant technological achievement in the world of artificial intelligence, it should be kept in perspective. It is a tool that can assist you in writing or generating content, but you will always be the owner of the idea, source, or creativity in any field you work in. And the ChatGPT, if it generates specific content for you, you cannot take it as the best and final version. Instead, you must read, filter, and modify it to ensure it is readable and useful. I would like to hear your opinions in the comments section below. If any of you have experience with ChatGPT, please share your experience and how it went for you. In upcoming episodes, I will continue to experiment with Chat GPT and other artificial intelligence programs in different applications and fields to see how we can use them properly and benefit from them as much as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all the new updates. Peace.